All right, thanks, Jim. Republicans across Virginia applauded this week's ruling by a federal judge that a portion of the health care reform law was unconstitutional. But did their claims about the law go a bit too far? Congressman-elect Robert Hurt out of Virginia's 5th District spent a lot of time on the campaign trail criticizing the health care reform law. So it was not a surprise when he released a statement congratulating Attorney General Ken Cuccinelli on his win in federal court. Among other things, Hurt said, quote, "I look forward to working to repeal and defund the, quote, government takeover of health care in the 112th Congress." But is this reform plan a government takeover of health care? According to the reporters at the Times-Dispatch, this claim is false. While the health care reform law does expand the government's role in medicine, it's a far cry from a takeover. In fact, the Congressional Budget Office predicts that 16 million people will be added to Medicaid. That's a lot. But keep in mind, there are already 60 million people on Medicaid, and there are more than 300 million people living in the United States. According to reporter Wes Hester, that is not quite a government takeover.
It certainly will expand the government's reach into health care. Specifically, Medicaid will grow under this. But the government's not running the health care insurance system.
And you can read all the research behind this week's PolitiFact Virginia report on their website, PolitiFactVirginia.com, and in this weekend's Times-Dispatch. And you can see every single PolitiFact Virginia report on my political blog, DecisionVirginia.com.